Now, this is how an interpreter works. So, you've got your programmer on one side and your computer on the other. Now, we've established that a human programs in your high level language, which we can just call HLL. So, how an interpreter works is you have one line of high level language, and what happens here is it gets translated into a line of machine code. Then the program runs it. If it's happy with it, it then gets the next line and then translates that. Again into machine code, and then the computer runs. Now, what you'll find is if there's 1,000 line of high level language, every single line has to get translated, and every time you run the program it always gets translated. Now the good thing is if it runs a line, gets a line, translates it and runs it, if there's no error it'll go on to the next line, so it'll get the next line and translate it. However, if it finds there's an error, it will pinpoint exactly where the error is. So what we can say is the advantage, one is good for finding errors. However, there's a fair few disadvantages because it needs translated every time the program runs. So it needs translated every time, and very slow to run the program. So you'd never have your final program interpreted because every time you run the program it has to be translated each time, and it's very, very slow.